Okay, so as you guys know, I have the yellow light of death, and I've tried the hair drying thing. Now I'm getting ready to test it out and see if it worked. So let's try it. This is where my PS3 goes. Everything is plugged in. Let's try it. Okay. Let's turn it on. Let's try it. Doesn't work. This process does not work. So if I were you, I would not try it. It's a waste of electricity and time.